Hey, J-Bro's popping in here. Kind of a fun video, I guess. Just showing you a little versatility of the mini skid. This is an old basketball hoop my dad welded together. Oh shoot, I don't know, 35 years ago. So I played on this when I was a kid. And what I'm doing is I had to remove the top out portion that went out for the hoop. So I unbolted that. And then as you can see right here, there was bolts right here. And what he did was kind of cool, is he put a hinge on this side and put a hinge on this side. So what I did is I removed the pin here, and now I got the skiddy sitting here to hold this up, and I'm just gonna back up the skid and it should just hinge right down. Because nowadays, you know, just where things and stuff, we ain't got gravel here. Boys just don't play buckets here. We got hoops all over. But anyway, so I just wanted to show you this coming down because, yeah, I don't know, kind of seems cool. You know, I was kind of looking at that beam. That might not be a terrible little thing to bolt a couple U-hooks on and use this as a drag, because for like black dirt and stuff where you don't want it to be as aggressive, that seems kind of decent there. But yeah, I'm just going to keep tearing this part down. I'll throw this off to the side and then get that other chunk out of there, and yeah, see how we get on. But seems something minor, but this kind of looked like crap on this corner anyway. Oh, and then we did get these steps up here as well, because you know me, I was crying about not having steps here for ages, and I could just take you up here. I'll do it in a separate video, but being I'm right here, we just finished these last night, and yeah, so there's kind of the deck up there if I didn't already show that. And then what I'm going to do on this deck quick as well is I'm going to side skirt all this with deck boards, and then I'm just actually gonna go get some 1/2 inch 4x8 green treat plywood and use that as a kick plate, so the whole thing will be be boxed in. And as you can see here with the bottom step, I got to get some extra fill in there and do that. Maybe I'll do some step stones at the bottom here just to kind of break it up a little bit. But yeah, kind of coming together. We're just trying to do, because the wife's off this week, we're just trying to get all this stupid stuff maneuvered. You know, we're going to move those trailers, stuff, clean up those weeds and whatnot, move that trailer, get that where it needs to be, and then get that stuff cleaned up and whatnot. Just kind of like all these stupid projects that haven't gotten to for a while, we're just kind of cleaning up. Well, that was held in there pretty good. I'm gonna see if I can't hook onto that outside bar there and get that concrete busted up. I don't know if there's rebar in that or not. there we go. I think that's good enough. I think the rest I can just pick up and throw in the truck and call it a day. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. J-Bros out. Figured I'd pop back in here super quick and show you cleaning this crap up. Well, I created a nice mess. Looks better than it did. I'll just have to do some of that stuff by hand, but yeah, not too bad. I'm gonna take a break, so I put the Mini in the shade. It's about feels like about 85 out today. It's just humid as heck.